Welcome to Credentia, your partner for success in nurse aid credentialing. Hello everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to submit an excused absence request. If you fail to attend your scheduled exam, it is considered a no-show, and if you have a valid or considered reason, you may submit an excused absence request to reschedule the exam. Note that you have a window of 14 days from the exam date to request an excused absence. Navigate to the Exam Schedule section from the side menu. Find the exam info box on this page and click on the Submit Excused Absence button provided to get its request form. Complete the form by adding all the required details and clearly state the reason for absence. Click on the Upload button to add the supporting documentation to the form. Once completed, click on the Submit button to send the request for review. After your excused absence request is reviewed, you will receive an approval or denial response by email. You may also get a request to send more info or to clarify the provided information to complete the review. If further information is required to process your request, you will receive an email with the specific additional information required to send. If your request is denied, the email response will include the specific reason for denial. If your request is approved, the exam status will be updated from no-show to exam canceled, and you will see a reschedule button for the exam and can reschedule your exam at no extra cost. For further details or assistance, explore our self-help guides.